So when are you going to write your biography?
No, you see, if you think like biography, I think it's pointless, really, because contrary to what the church tells us, that you they die once and there's judgment. That is if things were working normally. But no, things are not working normally. If you go through a famba, you will know that there's no way you can know life. Practically, we show you. There's no way you can know life just on a visit. So there must be reincarnation. Reincarnation.
Reincarnation, yes.
There must be. In order that you may learn the lessons of life. And if you do that, you will find that I'm not a Nigerian. But in other lives, I was not a Nigerian. You know it. So you write a biography. Where do you start? You write.
Which life?
Biography of life. It's I don't know how big the book will be.
Good point. That's a very good answer. It's the best answer I've ever heard. Excellent.